Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing and demonstration video. Checking out this ice bathtub. This is a 30 inches by 30 inches by 30 inches. Alrighty friends, here it is outside the ice bathtub. Features this nice little drain here in the bottom. You can turn that valve and get a lot of water out of there quickly. Just inflate these, have a little lid on there, and there we go. Throw some ice in there and you're ready to go. Not too high off the ground, so it's easy to step in and out. This exterior is a nice scratch resistant covering here, so protect your thing from getting holes in it and stuff, so that's good. Then we have the little leg braces in there, so pretty stable, and check it out here.
Get in! Full body. I can't. I can't. I can't do it. Yeah! Alright, time to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe slow. You have to give me that. Do that. Right after. Breathe. Control your breathing. Control your breathing. Control your breathing.
No, not the blanket.
Control your breathing. Do. Good. Dang, bro's locked in.
This is a little crazy.
He's locked in. Is it warm now?
No way.
Warm me up the water. Let's go.
Hey, I don't think she allows. She's gonna.
What?
No.
She's gotta get good? Look, healing.
Healing for what?
Is it warm now? Let's
Okay,
go.
how long? How many seconds left?
Oh, cool. Bro's been in there for a minute.